Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to use the meeting scheduler in SugarConnect. Let's get started. The SugarConnect meeting scheduler user interface has been upgraded with a modern, intuitive design, making it even easier to schedule meetings. When you share a scheduler link, the invitee can click on it to land on the specific calendar event page. There, they can book a meeting time and date that works best for them. But there's more to the update than just looks. Imagine you want to relate a meeting to an opportunity while creating it in Outlook or Google Calendar. Previously, you would have to wait for the meeting to sync with Sugar before making changes. Now, you can open the SugarConnect sidebar while creating or viewing a meeting. This sidebar lets you fill in fields not covered by the external calendar events, such as related to or internal notes, saving you time and effort. This eliminates the need to wait for synchronization before making updates in Sugar. We hope you find this information useful. Thanks for watching.